build just a really simple container that just get an URL and a target. So you can give, for example, YouTube and a meeting ID, and the API call just creates the join URL, starts a Docker container with the Docker Engine API. And in fact, that's it. And it really works good. I have some examples there. So I accidentally started the stream already, but you have 3 new API calls, one for creating a stream, one for listing all, and one for stopping. So you can create multiple streams, for example, to YouTube and to Facebook, and stop them. So this is a view when no stream is running. So yes, let's start here. Stream. You can see it takes for short time. Then it gets listed with the meeting ID, with the Docker ID and the target. Yeah, we'll change the secret later. And so now we have here, a user that came online. It's like the other containers. It's just a simple X11 streaming about FFmpeg. It starts a Chromium browser and visits the URL, joins as listen only, and takes the screen sharing and puts it to YouTube. As you can see, this is just the same presentation. And if I want to end the stream, I currently just have to take this one and use it in the API mate. That is also here. You have to use the container ID. You have to use the meeting ID. The Docker container has some labels for checking if the meeting ID matches, so that nobody gives another container ID or something. And if we just call this, so the container is now removed and stopped. If we take the right ID, so it's not, should now be stopped. Yeah, so no streams are running, and you will get shortly the info. Yeah, the data is away, and the stream will shortly stop. And yeah, one problem currently is you have to run it as your root user. So the next steps for me are creating this thing with Podman as non-root user. I just told Fred the same thing I will use to build the converting containers for converting either pad or something in PDF. I will also try to do this as a non-root Docker container. And also, bad thing about is if you end the meeting, currently the streams runs and runs and runs because it doesn't recognize that there is no connection. That's, yeah. And the next big thing I discussed with Thiago, we want to implement this in 3.1 or maybe 3.0, that you can select as a moderator that you want to show the stream somewhere. So there's already a patch for 2.7 beta, I think. So like this, you can just select somewhere here to start the stream, give your stream ID, and it starts streaming. You have a list for streams with streams and can exit them and end them. So that's the next things to do. But this is the current test. And about the usage, it's about 300 to 400 megabytes in memory. And the last test was about half an CPU core per meeting. So maybe I hope to get it more down, but I think for the first tests, it's not too bad. Yeah. Okay, that's